Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio. We had Graham Drew with us last time talking about Raidon in Calgary, and a lot of you guys had some follow-up questions, so he's back. Thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having me. I think what's going to happen, you're going to read me some of these questions, and I'm going to hammer through them.
Sounds great. Let's do it.
Let's get after it. Nobody wants to tell you that sealing your foundation is going to be your long-term solution, but realistically, we don't know what the levels are in your soil. So it's a great start because if you already had low soil levels of radiation, sealing your foundation will help deter how much radiation you get in your basement. Now, again, remember, it's the way we talked about it before, that once it gets in, though, it keeps it in. So by having a fully sealed house, once it gets in, it's in. It's not the end-all solution. It is a great starting point, though. Something that a lot of people do DIY on their own when they purchase a brand new home is, or before they finish a basement, is they go like, and again, there's techniques that we can show you, and maybe we'll post a video of techniques that I would use. At the very minimum, you get a caulking gun with some polyurethane, take a bristle brush, clean the edges of the foundation, and start caulking it all through. Now, there's better techniques that we use as professionals. We can sometimes use a foam backer rod, and then we put the silicone over top of that. That way it allows for a little bit more expansion and contraction. There's other techniques, but let's you and I jump on to an in-home video one time here, and we'll put a link below on this one and tag it to proper procedures of a DIY caulking of your house. And this is something I recommend to all homeowners, whether you hire a professional or you do it yourself. It's a great option for a good start on your mitigation. Or if you are going to be finishing your basement, I don't think it's a huge expense at that point to ask your contractor, be like, hey, Mr. Contractor guy that's finishing my basement, who you're hoping is a pretty skilled general contractor, he should know how to seal a basement up pretty nicely.